Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a great truck, 1950 Ford F1. Got the Fred, the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it.
Hey, how you doing? It's been converted to 12 volt.
Great.
Originally had a Flathead V8, but now it has an upgraded 289.
Great.
Has 3-speed on the column, new clutch, pressure plate throwout bearing. The flywheel was rebuilt.
Mm-hmm.
The exhaust was redone. Brakes, front and rear were done. The whole front end was done. It was taken out, sent to a machine shop. They redid the whole front end, put it back in again.
Yeah, I saw that receipt. It was like $4 grand, 4,200, right?
Yeah, 4,200. Wow. That's one bill, but there's over 11,000 in receipts.
Jeez. Sitting on Goodyear Eagle STs, aluminum wheels.
Oh yeah, new front and rear bumpers too.
Oh yeah, the chrome looks great on those. New tips on the exhaust, it looks like, too.
Yes, the exhaust was done also.
LED rear tail lights. They're super nice and bright. Like how the stakes were added in the body. Man, super solid. You don't really see them like this. Nice, honest truck, you know?
Yeah, the running board. You never see running boards that are not rotted like that.
Yeah, they look original,
see,
too.
They're original. There's no plastic on them or anything. They could use, a little repaint maybe, and just drive it the way it is. I
leave
think
it
it's
alone.
great just the way it is.
I agree.
It's part of the look.
I agree. Throw your pumpkins and haystacks in the back.
Yeah.
Running around town. Nice bright halogens up front. Added turn signals. They work great. Even the fogs work. Cool truck. I don't really see them like this. Love that grill too, so iconic. Can you fire it up?
Sure.
Even the little window on the key, amazing. Works. Wow. Runs good, huh?
Yeah, it runs great. And the horn works. And there's an added horn.
Oh.
There's an Ahooga. And guess what else works?
What? The
wipers.
Oh my god.
And the speedometer.
Wow.
It's crazy.
So cool.
I can't believe. And the emergency brake is all brand new. It's got the original handle, but all the cables all the way back to the brakes are all brand new. It actually works.
Yeah, love it. And look at these windows. Roll up beautiful with one hand. Oh, it's got added rain guards too. Wind wings. Super nice. I noticed the tag too in the glove box. Neat. Can we check out the under the motor?
Sure.
Under the hood, I should say. 289.
Two barrels, so it's pretty good on gas. The rebuilt 2-barrel.
Yeah, electronic fuel bump. New battery. Great little truck.
Doesn't smoke, doesn't leak.
Yeah.
Good honest owner.
I agree. Fires right up. Sounds good. Super solid. Perfect. Can you turn the headlights on? I love those fogs. Those are like old school Lucas, it looks like. Pretty cool. Oh, and turn signals work great. Hit the other turn signal, Fred. That does work. And then hit the other turn signal on this side. Man, that's got a great sound to it. Hit the brake lights. I'm gonna show them how bright they are. Wow, nice LED. What a big improvement. And then the right side. Cool, man. Awesome. Super nice straight body too.
The problem with a lot of these old trucks is you can't see them at night. You can't see them when they stop. You can't.
Yeah.
The headlights don't work. This here is lights are bright. Brake
Yeah.
lights are strong. Everything's good.
Yeah, great. All right, let's go for a quick ride.
Sure.
Added seatbelts. This vinyl looks pretty nice too. Carpet's in great shape.
There's a receipt in there for the seat and the carpet.
Cool. Nice honest truck.
Look up here. On the register.
Looks like all the gauges work too. Three on the tree. It's so fitting, isn't it?
It's a lot of fun.
Man, I love the hula girl too. So cool.
Notice the speedometer's working?
Yeah, all the gauges work great. So cool. Man, you just don't see him around like this.
They usually say, yeah, everything's good, but this, but that, but this.
Yeah, there's no buts on this truck. No however, no howevers, and no buts.
No bugs. Ship's nice and smooth. Clutch is nice and smooth.
Yeah, it almost feels like it's got a nice highway gear in it too. Very cool. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 250 photos I took on the main website. It's weebyautos.com. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thanks. Nice seeing you, Fred, too. What a truck.